friends, Tom Wylie here. It is super bright out here on the homestead. Bright sunshine, beautiful, beautiful day. I had plans for what I was going to do today, some of which was indoor, some out. But I wanted to talk with you just for a second about flexibility on the homestead. Like I said, I had plans for today. I'm still going to try to get to those things, but this is a rare moment when the sun is out in its full glory. The sky is totally, almost completely clear, and it is melting things. So now's the time to take advantage of that. We have multiple things that I've been frustrated with being frozen and not really having opportunity to melt them. So the sun's out, make hay while the sun shines. Not quite a winter analogy, but you get the point. Let me show you what I'm doing. On our roof, we have had really bad ice dams. You can see there's, well, roughly there is the edge of the roof, and then it grows way out to there. That's all just ice and icicles. I'm gonna try to get over out here without falling off and show you. Hopefully you can see the icicles and the ice hanging off there. I can't see the screen at all because it is so bright. Okay, so you should, yeah, there you go. So that's what we've been dealing with, and there just hasn't been good opportunity to get it melted. I've shoveled a bunch, like actually, I'm trying to remember. No, that stuff is all just melt. That's what naturally melted, but it all piled down here. Sorry, we might have some wind noise. We've had really bad ice along this edge too. And I had shoveled this section, so this is all original. That stuff I shoveled, but and in hopes that the sun would hit it and melt the ice, but it just, the sun wasn't coming out enough. But today, big difference. You can see that shininess on the metal? That is the snow melting. It's a nice brown, dark brown roof, so the sun hits it, warms it up very easily. Even through a little bit of snow, the sun will warm it up. The sun's radiation just goes through and warms up the underneath brown surface and causes the snow to melt off. So I want to get the big bulk of snow, insulating snow, off of the ice, big ice dams, so hopefully we can get those melted off today. We'll see, but I'm working on a firewood project beyond the shop. I'm working on a project on the seed company website, but I just couldn't pass up this opportunity to let the sun do some work on my behalf. Whew, so a little update here. I've shoveled most of the roof off, as you can see. There's a little bit on the front porch and a little bit back there on that southwest corner. But look behind me. Almost bare, dry roof. After seeing how deep it is, it's seriously about 2 feet deep at the deepest, in the deepest spots. After seeing that, and now seeing dry roof with no ice dam, incredible feeling of accomplishment. So right now I've been working, this northern side of the roof has been the most challenging to keep free of ice because the sun doesn't hit it as much, and when it does, it only hits at a shallow angle. So the sun is up there, generally follows that, you know, that kind of a path. And so this part of the roof really doesn't get as much sun, and it's hitting at a really shallow angle. Whereas that part, it's hitting really steep angle, and it gets lots of full sun, or almost full sun. So this ice dam was my biggest concern. I was really trying to get it so that this part would melt and it would heat up. I mainly wanted to get the snow off of this as much as possible so that this would melt and fall off. I'm having to coax it a little, but it is coming. See, it's off that area. Sorry about the wind. I discovered I just came along and fully like chipped out the ice that was here so that the sun could kind of cook this area of the roof more and sort of help warm that up by proximity and by causing warmer water to flow under it. But then I discovered too, going back, that if I can get under it, if I can get under a corner of this with the shovel, it pops loose like that and off it slides. Yay! So I'm going to continue that for the rest of this ice dam, hopefully get it all done. Then I'm going to get that snow off and that snow off. Well, especially for having not planned to shovel the roof today, but knowing in the back of my mind that I really needed to get it done, it's a big relief just getting it done. Not the day I planned, not the work I planned to do today, but it feels really good having accomplished it. So always remember that. Make your plans, but hold them kind of loosely, especially on a homestead. Very often you're working with what you have, and the sun is a very powerful gift God has given us. When it comes out, make use of it. God bless you and your homestead, or your desires for a homestead. May He bless the work of your hands and of your mind as you work towards those desires that He's given you. And have a great day. I'll catch you later. Oh, and if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. More homesteading stuff coming soon as I get through my backlog of videos and keep uploading all that stuff, plus the new stuff I'm continuously making. I'm trying to make a bunch of short ones right now so I can just do quick turnaround videos, get them up to you quickly without a big edit. This will hopefully be one of those videos if I stop talking right now. I'll see you later.